Hey guys, my name is Daniel and today I will be showing you how to print a shirt. I will start off by listing the supplies needed for the process. I'll start off with the screen. I will be using one similar to this one except I am printing with a 110 mesh count. Next, I will be needing a squeegee. Also similar to this one, I will be using a 13-inch squeegee. In screen printing, we use the squeegees to run ink through the screen to help apply the ink onto the shirt. There's a certain angle you have to have your squeegee at onto the screen in order to be able to get the ink passing through the screen efficiently. I will be printing on a black 100% cotton shirt. I'll be using a green Plastisol ink to print onto the shirt. I rather use Plastisol inks instead of water-based inks because I feel they're not as hard on the shirts and they don't dry up on the screen as easily. I will be using a light green color on the black shirts. This will help make them stand out and make the design pop. Here we have our screen already set on the press. As you can see, it has the design already burned on it. It's a 110 mesh count. I went ahead and created registration marks here on the top and the bottom to go ahead and line up with the line on my palette. As you can see, it'll line up once we get it over here to the top part. Alright, so here we have our 100% cotton black t-shirt that we're going to be printing on. We're going to go ahead and load it up onto the wooden plate and get it ready for printing. I want to go ahead and stretch it out a bit and just easily place it onto the wooden plate. You're going to want to go ahead and line up your tag to the center of the wooden plate. Make sure you flatten it all down, nice and even on the board. Alright, now we have the screen set on the press and the shirt set on the plate. So now we're going to go ahead and put the screen down. And the next step will be applying the ink onto the screen. So we're just going to go ahead and evenly apply it down here on the bottom. A little more. Just get it all the way through. Just pick up the excess. Just like that, we're ready to start printing. Now that I have the ink applied here on the screen, I'm going to go ahead and push it through the screen. Going to put light pressure over it and just spread it across the screen at this angle, and then to give it one good pass. A lot of times I like to go ahead and run it again, spread it evenly, and then again pressure. So you have an end result like this. Now that the shirt's been printed, all we have to do is dry it. I'm going to go ahead and be using this heat gun here to dry it. Alright guys, and that's how you make a shirt. Catch you guys next time.